Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and once again we're tracking some showers and some thunderstorms moving through the area for this evening. It's not going to be for everyone, but if you get caught underneath one of these storms, they will be definitely heavy enough to get your attention. Once we get past midnight, in fact not even that late, about 10 o'clock or so, the atmosphere begins to settle down with sunset. And into the day tomorrow, the humidity lowers a little bit. Even the heat will turn down some, and it's going to feel pretty good. Sunday will be the pick of the weekend. Going into next week, the theme of it will have multiple rounds of seeing some showers and also some thunderstorms, starting on Monday even. And then we're going to really turn the heat up significantly with highs climbing into the 90s, lows in the 70s, and that's going to be the setup for much of next week. And it all kicks off going on Monday, where we see those showers and thunderstorms and even some tropical leftovers from Barry on Wednesday. So 64 degrees with some clearing skies for tonight. Winds going to be from the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Into the day tomorrow, 84 degrees, mostly clear, not as humid. And a nice day overall once we hit your Monday. Tuesday, the heat returns. I'm thinking the tropical leftovers of Barry will cool us down a little bit on Wednesday, but it's still going to be very hot and humid. So it'll be a tough go to hit the 90s on Wednesday, but if we can reach 90, that'll complete the heat streak that we'll have going into next week with multiple 90-degree days expected. And thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Hallie for your Sunday morning.